A wonderful tip to keep your health up to date, cheap, easy and practical to make. This tea has many health benefits as a whole and it seems magical. First of all, we invite you to regenerate, and for that you need to subscribe here on the channel so you don't miss any content. Come on! It is scientifically proven, and there are several positive studies regarding the ingredients that help to reduce cholesterol, triglycerides, fat in the liver and regulate the body. The ingredients are 1 liter and a half of water, 500 milliliters of apple cider vinegar and 3 spoons of honey. Mix the 3 ingredients in a bottle or put them in a blender for the chemical reaction to take place. Leave it in the bottle for 5 days, and after the 5 days you can drink it. Fatty liver is one of the most silent and dangerous diseases in the world. Be careful. Take a small glass in the morning and another in the afternoon for 30 days, 50 milliliters at each time, and see what will happen magnificently. I hope you like it and try to take care of it. Until the next meeting, and bye.